Hello friends, how you guys doing today? Welcome to Jumian's channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I wear my beret. If you don't know this about me, I love to wear hats, especially during summer. Anytime that I can incorporate it into what I'm wearing, I really enjoy wearing hats. So in this video, I am going to show you the few ways that I wear them. I want to take this time to say thank you and welcome to all my new subscribers. If you're new here, please join the family and be my friends. If you're being my OG, I really appreciate you. Thank you for sticking with me and thank you for accepting me for who I am. So the first one is I'm just gonna make sure this part remain tucked in. This is very simple. My hair exactly the way it is, and I'm just gonna put it like so, and that's simple. In the back like so. This is really effortlessly. I can just like pull it like so and have it like this, or I can pull it down a little bit and have it like that, and just make sure my natural hair is puffed up and I'm good to go. So I can pull it to the side and just go about my business. If you don't like wearing yours in one particular side, it's very easy to switch to the other side. It's pretty easy, just like that. And the back, another way is to pull it back, put it back like so, and then put it back like that. Now this is tucked in like that. I am going to pull it out, so I will have a little bit of room like this. It's just pull it down. See, that has more room. And this one, I can wear it like so, like so. It almost seems like it's not, it doesn't have that much difference, but it really does, depending on the look that we're going for. So I can actually put it all the way in the front, and you can really see the difference at this point. So I'm going to be using this. And I'm going to use it to put my hair in the back like so. I will and tuck in all my hair like so. Tuck my hair on it and then push my hair out, tuck this in a little bit, and that's very simple. At the same time, it keeps my hair away, and I'm just able to just throw in some simple t-shirt, jeans, and I'm good. It kind of look like I'm just rolling out of bed, and I mean, that's sometimes I like to go with that kind of look. Another way that I wear this is I make sure some of my hair is out like so. Put the rest in the back. This is going to be staying out. My hair in. Pull all the hair in. Put it out like so. Work the hair, make the hair spill it out, and then I pull some of my hair and I just tuck it in like so. Pull the beret out a little bit. This is another way I wear it, and it's almost like I put in some work, but really I didn't. It's pretty simple. And like so. I can like fix it up like that, or I can put it on and wear it like a kango, like so, or I can just put it out and just center it on my head and just wear it like so. Like loving heart and stuff is being able to put your style into the style. That's pretty much what I do, because for me style is personalized, so I just pretty much do what I want to do with what I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are not. If you're just seeing my video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.